What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the beautiful R1M. Going on a little ride, sunset ride. You guys already know it's a little gloomy. It's been gloomy for like a week now. Getting chillier. I mean, it is October, so that makes sense. But yeah, it was a little hot earlier today. Haven't been on the R1 in like a week, I think, so I miss riding this bike, so I figured go on a little ride and I'll talk about something. I already mentioned it in a couple of my videos, but it wasn't the title, it wasn't the main focus, so I want to address it in this video because I have so many people, and I know I'm gonna keep getting people that ask me, why do I not use my hand to shift on my bikes, especially the R1M, because I can upshift and downshift without using a clutch. And totally understandable, there's nothing to be ashamed of. Everyone starts riding at some point, and when I first started I didn't know what a quick shifter was either. First of all, a quick shifter is where you can upshift without using a clutch. What I have on this bike is an auto-blip, which is both a quick shifter, and an auto-blip is pretty much when you downshift the bike, the module that attaches right here is the piece that pretty much cuts out your ignition, and it just times it perfectly so you shift faster, and also so it rev matches for you. So for example, you guys can see how like it's rev matching for me. Nothing again. That's quick shifting. So yeah, this is mainly used for pretty much racing, and it's a module that you buy. They attach right here, as I showed you guys. Pretty much that's what it does. It allows you to shift without using clutch. Now you are gonna need to pretty much use the clutch to, well, like start going when you're stopped, but for the most part, when you're already in first gear and the bike is rolling, you never need to use a clutch besides stopping and going, which is really convenient and nice, especially when you're in traffic. Obviously you can still use the clutch. It doesn't like stop you from using a clutch. Hold on, I'm trying to see what that bike is. Oh, it's a Ninja 400, I think. Oh, it's 6R. I miss my ZX6R. I should have never sold it, to be honest. It's a pretty nice bike. So yeah, it's a module that attaches down there to the shifting rod. I believe that's what it's called. My brand is called Flash Dunes, and obviously when you attach this, you have to get into your ECU and unlock the quick shifter, and that's when you're going to be able to use it. A lot of new bikes already come with a quick shifter, and some leader bikes come with an auto blipper. I'm not sure if any 600s come with an auto blipper, but I know leader bikes, modern ones, do come with an auto blipper. My H2 did not, nor the R1M came with an auto blipper. They both came with a quick shifter, and this bike got upgraded to an auto blipper, and the H2 is not upgraded yet, but it's about to be very soon. So yeah, it's a really nice it's a really nice device that you guys should definitely check it out. Honestly, it makes shifting faster if you're not very fast. I was used to the clutch shifting because I think it's more fun, but because of how much I ride and all of that, it's nice to have a quick shifter. Plus the auto blipper is where it's at, to be honest. Like, the auto blipper is the best thing. But if you're not very fast with shifting, then a quick shifter is like perfect for you. Whoa. That's pretty much just an overview, because I get asked all the time, how do I shift without my clutch? And that's what it is. You guys should check it out. Just Google quick shifting or a quick shifter. or an auto blipper. You can buy it from any online website pretty much. Just make sure that to unlock, like to be able to use it. It's not just a matter of just putting it on. I'm just carrying this in my pocket for nothing. It's my friend's birthday, so I bought him some Alpine Star gloves matching mine. But he's not here, so. If you guys get the chance to, you should definitely check out the quick shifter auto blipper, whichever is available for your bike, because honestly, like, I like it a lot. I don't mind not having one, but it's the little things, you know. Sometimes it makes riding more enjoyable. It's also a little laggy in low RPM, so don't expect it to be like perfect, because it is pretty much designed for racing. Here, I'll give you guys a little example. I mean, you probably won't see it, but like I feel it. So like right now I'm in low RPMs, and you can feel how it's like laggy, versus when I do this, it's just way smoother. So yeah, I'm going in a few days to the shop to get an auto blipper for the H2, because as I said, it came with a quick shifter, not an auto blipper, and I would like some you know, nice downshifts, nice crisp downshifts for you guys. And I'll also be tuning my bike, so that's an exciting video that's coming soon. And this is pretty much it for this video. Just a little ride. I wanted to go meet up with my friend and surprise him with those gloves, and I figured I would discuss this, and I'll put it in the title, since I get asked all the time, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna still get asked in future videos about it, but it's all good. Just wanted to address it for the new people in my channel. Slow car, but looks nice. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this kind of little informational video, and let me know if I missed anything about the quick shifter and auto blipper, but I'm pretty sure I hit most of the spots, just kind of like let you guys know about it a little bit. And now I'm just gonna do a chill ride, enjoy my ride, stop talking, and yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Thank you so much for the support. Ride safe.